College of Wooster is America's premier college for mentored undergraduate research.
Wait, what does that mean? Well, basically this. Wooster makes sure every student, not just a select few, is able to perfect their skills in inquiry, analysis, and expression, and then showcase them in a one-of-a-kind research or creative project. For a neuroscience major, that might mean analyzing electroencephalograms to find out how dogs can mediate human stress. For an English major, maybe it's writing a travel magazine for people who want to study abroad in Andalusia, Spain. A business economics major could examine Twitter data to predict where the stock market is headed. A music major could compose a piece for a jazz ensemble. So really, it's about creating new knowledge. And Wooster is great at helping you do that for several reasons. First of all, it's an intentional 4-year progression. You can work alongside professors on projects starting in your first year, do summer research your sophomore year, and hone the specific research methodologies of your major during your junior year, all culminating in an original piece of research or creative work in your senior year. Also, it's mentored. You have the one-on-one support and guidance of a professor every step of the way as you explore your intellectual interests, refine your ideas, and work on your own project. Plus, it's celebrated. On the day you turn in your project, your friends and professors all turn out for a joyous, raucous parade. And finally, it's personally meaningful. You get to focus intensely on something you truly care about as you develop abilities you'll use throughout your life. By the time you graduate, you've demonstrated independent judgment, creativity, project management skills, communication skills, and self-confidence. It's what gives you an edge as you apply to graduate school or start your career. And it's why Wooster deserves to be called America's premier college for mentored undergraduate research.